everyone, I am Lora of Marché in downtown Lawrence, and I am so excited to share with you another original recipe that we've created using Orangina, and I'm even more excited to be making this with my friend Melody of BlueJacket Crossing Vineyard in Eudora.
And we are so happy to have you here today, Laura. This is so exciting, and I'm very excited to taste this drink.
Yes, I think you're gonna love it. I think you will too, and it is so easy to make. So, if you want to get started, Melody is going to add about 6 ounces of Vignole wine that they make here in Eudora at BlueJacket Crossing. And then, to this wine from Eudora, we are adding Orangina that is made in France. We are calling this our Orangina Wine Spritzer. So we've got the wine. And why did we choose this wine, Melody? How do you think it works?
So we chose the Vignole because it is one of the state grapes of Kansas, which is very exciting. And it has a really crisp and refreshing flavor. And it has notes of grapefruit and then a soft pineapple finish. So it's a great wine for a citrus drink.
That sounds amazing. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of these locally grown blackberries that we've crushed. Mix that in. It's a great pop of color and flavor. Yes. And then, you know, because we like things pretty, we'll do a slice of orange and a few berries on top. So, are you ready to give this a try?
Yeah.
Me too. Here we go. Cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah. That is so delicious.
That is delicious. That's so refreshing.
Yeah, I am loving this, and we think that you will love it too. So please come visit us here at BlueJacket Crossing in Eudora on Saturday, July 27th. Can you tell us what's happening?
Yeah, we're going to be doing complimentary wine and cheese pairings. You can taste Marché cheese paired with our wines. And then we'll have cheese and wine for sale. We have live music. And you can learn all about that and our other events on our website at BlueJacketWinery.com.
Yes, and we'll be making this for you to try too. Hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching.